Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use Bookmap for crypto. And we are here in Bookmap and I just started here for the beginning. And what we're going to do is we want to create right here an instrument. So we click right here on the plus icon and then you see right here most of the time this green. And when it's standing right here on futures, you are not allowed right here to select crypto. Just symbol like this, and we want to select crypto. So what we're going to do is quite simple. We change right here the type to perpetuals or spot, what you want to do. I want to do spot, so I change it to spot. Right here you can select the exchange, but multi-book is fine. And then right now, if you go right here to this, you will find right here Ethereum, some Shiba, Solana, XRP, Bitcoin. Now you can also change it to perpetuals, like I said, and then you have here exactly a little bit lesser, but you can find right here then crypto too. For now we do spot again, and then let's select right here Bitcoin to USDT. Select this one and then we do subscribe, and then right now he is building right here the information, the data that we want. So that costs you maybe, let's say, 30 seconds when he is doing the things that we wanted he is doing. So keep a little bit patience, but this is how you can use Bookmap for crypto. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.